One aspect that I think that Superheat brings to the table is a safety culture, and part of the way that we're able to have a successful safety culture is we involve our technicians, our employees, from the lowest level, up to the president and the owner of the company. So we do a lot of high-risk work, and one of the components of that is vessel work. We began to realize that we are kind of the subject matter experts on these vessels and putting heat on them like that. So we developed a vessel checklist, which essentially it gives our client engineering opportunity to really review what it is we're about to do. But in that wealth of knowledge that we have, we develop those tools such as that vessel checklist, and by executing that vessel checklist ahead of execution, then we were able to catch potential hazards, things that would have slowed the project down much more. So one of the things that comes to mind there is for a client in South Louisiana, kind of an emergency job actually. We got called on Sunday, and I think we were there on Monday, mobilizing people and getting on site and doing the work for them. But one of the things we did is we took the time to stop and bring this to their attention. Hey, here's the checklist, and because we did, they actually tested the coating on the equipment and found out that it did have lead-based paint. So that put everything to a halt. So it prevented exposure not just to Superheat people, but to the client, and then also to other contractors that might have been working in an area that would have been exposed. I can say that the experience that we have at Superheat truly helps us execute better, safer, and faster.